Solis, napitawan ng bola. Yun ang masakoy. Al Solis trying to give up a foul. And Solis, Glenn Capasio, hindi na gustuhan ni John Best yung foul na yun ni Glenn. At ang initial reaction ni John Best ay magalit, pero nung makita niya nagsusori naman sa kanya si Glenn Capasio, sabi ni John Best, oh sige na, okay na. Kapasok depensa, Moby line. Libre si Noy Castillo from 3-point country.
Tatlo na rin yata 3-point shot niya dito sa larong ito. Muulan ng 3-point shot in this ballgame.
Jackson, magandang cut ni John Best. Kuyog siya sa ilalim, pero gumawa ng paraan, dinukot sa ilalim. Matala si Benji Paras trying to do the same act, got away from T. McLary and Al Solis.
Wala nang sumalubog doon. I thought that at least when he spun around, then malayo pa sa basket.
The last one at 12 all, bago po iniwanan itong Formula Shell ang Mobiline phone pals. Okay mga kaibigan, kanina po sa pag-umpisa ng laro, tinunghayan natin itong guard matchup between John Best of Formula Shell at Silas Mills ng Mobiline.
Well, match na match ang nangyari. Same number in points. One more rebound for Silas Mills, but one more assist for John Best, who's been able to read the double team very well. Meanwhile, Donald Williams to take the technical free throw because of the technical foul called against Silas Mills at the end of the second quarter.
That's right. Pagkatapos ng buzzer, tinawagan si Silas Mills na technical foul. Samantala, handog sa inyo ng The Paint Authority, Dutch Boy. Here are the numbers in the paint.
Malaki para sa Shell ang rebounding, 25-17, and they got 14 points of those second chance points. Mobiline 3 points. Meanwhile, ang Shell ang magto-throw in at the start of the third quarter, pero Matman being asked to do his thing just underneath the basket of the Mobiline phone pals. It's gonna be a uphill climb. Pero pinakikita rin naman ng Mobiline na kaya nila yan in the past. Let's see kung ano intensity ng Shell dito sa third and fourth quarter.
Diyan minsan natin diskarel itong Formula Shell. Maganda ang umpisa, pagkatapos meron tendency na lumaylay pagdating ng third and fourth quarters. Pero ito, sabi ni Noy Castillo, anong lay, tuloy-tuloy ang ratsyada nitong Formula Shell with a PLDT long distance connection.
Again, you know, they read the double team very well. Kailan double team si Paras, naghanap kaagad siya ng taong malilibre. He spotted Noy Castillo wide open.
Ito po ang pinakamalaki na ngayong kalamangan din sa larong ito, 19 puntos para sa Formula Shell. Tony Boy Espinosa is also open. Too strong on the attempt. T. McLary, ito po ang nag-umpisa ng scoring parade para sa Mobiline, but he got stopped at 9 points back in the first half. He had 7 in the first quarter. Akala natin ay talaga umuusok ito. Pagkatapos 2 puntos lang ang ginawa doon sa second period. Chris Jackson saw an open lane, but Al Solis came in. Benji Paras, yun ang sinasabi natin nagtatrabaho, pero 2 mintis ni Benji Paras. However, Formula Shell continuing to dominate the boards, Dr. J.
Parang hindi tumatalon yung mga yellow shirts there. Offensive rebounds galore.
At sumisenya si Coach Eric Altamirano. Medyo bumax out tayo dyan.
Tumalon naman kayo, bumax out naman kayo dyan.
Well, he has conceded that Formula Shell certainly has the advantage pagdating dun sa mga malalaking players. Pero hindi naman kung meron silang bentahe, tatayo na lang tayo dyan.
Hindi naman tayo pwedeng manood. Gusto mo manood sa city tayo pumunta. Ito, basketball game, championships.
Sa perya. 60-41.
Illegal defense called against Shell. Masyadong maraming pumunta ron. May naiwanan. Technical foul called against their team. Tingnan natin sino titira dito. Sabi ni Silas Mills, ayaw nyo ba? Ako na, ayaw nyo.
Ito si Al Solis o si Silas Mills?
Sige, sabi ni Mills.
Sabi ni Mills, okay. Ito si Al Solis, nabanggit nga natin doon sa second quarter. Bumitaw ito ng 3 3-point shots in a very short stretch.
Nag-miss tuloy. An opportunity for him to score his third point. Major short.
Samantala, Anthony Suntay is ready for a report on Formula Shell. What have you got, Anthony?
Alam mo, Ed, kanina nakausap ko si Coach Perez. Sabi niya sa akin, my only apprehension coming into the second half with a big lead is the fact that we may relax. So sabi niya, I'm not worried about Mobiline. What I'm worried about is my team. I told my team, if we're going to be the new Shell, we're going to have to come out as hard as we did in the first half. Ed?
Yes, thank you, Anthony. Yun ang sinasabi natin, Dr. J. Yung tendency niyan ng Formula Shell. Medyo nagamot nila itong huling mga laro.
Yes. Kunti, di wala sila. Kunti nila nagamot yun. Wala na sila rito.
Mahirap yan kung minsan may posibilidad na bumalik yung mga ganyang klaseng mga problema. Pero ito, mga pass play ngayon ng Formula Shell pero mabilis ang bumaba sa depensa ang Mobile Line. Libre si Noy Castillo from 3-point country.
Yes! Dahil tatlo na rin yata ang 3-point shot niya dito sa larong ito.
Oo.
Muulan ng 3-point shot in this ballgame
Ang
from
dami.
both teams. Yes.
At dami rito. At ito, 22 puntos na kalamangan ng Formula Shell. Knocked away by Donald Williams off the hands of Glenn Capascio.
9:28 left. Familiar number. Left here in the third quarter.
Samantala, ito naman ang opensa ngayon ng Mobile Line. T. McClary, dilabas kay Tony Boy Espinosa. Libre din si Al Solis. Ayan, sinasabi natin umuulan, Dr. J.
Pang-apat na ni Al Solis yan.
Samantala, narito ngayon ng Formula Shell. Donald Williams. Laban kay Glenn Capascio. Williams pa rin. Off to Chris Jackson. Uy, napitawan ng bola. Capascio. Solis to Silas Mills. Ito gustong-gusto ni Silas Mills yan eh.
Yeah, open court basketball. Medyo nagagamit niya yung kanyang speed tsaka yung leaping ability niya to finish off an easy play.
Very versatile player, Silas Mills.
Sa totoo lang,
Oo.
17-point lead but still a lot of time left dito sa third quarter.
Noy Castillo gets Tony Boy Espinosa out of the way. Trying to coax it to bounce in. Pero hindi pumasok ang tira. Ito na naman si Silas Mills leading the Mobile Line attack. Pinubulabog siya ni John Best at ni Noy Castillo. Silas Mills, nakasaksak pa rin! Yes!
Pinakikita niya yung kanyang strength. No, ha?
Matindi ito si Silas Mills. Sabi niya gano'n, pagka gusto ko, hindi niyo ako kaya pigilan. Kahit dalawa pa kayo riyan. Matala si Benji Paras trying to do the same act. Got away from T. McClary and Al Solis.
Wala nang sumalubog doon. I thought that at least when he spun around and malayo pa sa basket, they would help off. Nobody helped out.
Benji Paras had 8 points in the first half. All of them scored in the second quarter. Al Solis inside to McClary.
Easy basket there.
Oh, nudging Chris Jackson out of the way.
That's going to be a warning call on T. McClary for delay of ball game.
Samantala mga kaibigan, pakinggan naman natin ang ulat ni Ria Tanwaco. Anong balita, Ria?
Well, after a dismal first half, si Coach Eric Altamirano was sure to give some words of motivation to his players. He said they have to come out more aggressive, play like they actually want to win this championship, and not let themselves be dominated by Shell. At sabi niya rin na maraming beses na nangyari ito na tinambakan sila ng ibang koponan, and they managed to bounce back. Tingnan natin kung kaya pa ng Mobile Line, Ed.
Maraming salamat, Ria. Yung kasi sinasabi ni Dr. J, the Mobile Line has been in such situations before. They pulled these things out of the fire. Ito, medyo nagpapakita na ng kakaibang init itong Mobile Line.
Lalo na si Al Solis.
Oo. Pero ito si Benji Paras. Ooh, nice drop pass. Papunta kay John Best. Sinagot kaagad ng Formula Shell yung ratsyada ng Mobile Line. 15 puntos pa rin po ang abante ng mga bataan ni Coach Perry Ronquillo. Good tap by Jackson, but it's picked up by Glenn Capascio.
That's hell ball.
Yes.
That's a hell ball.
It's going to be between Chris Jackson and Glenn Capascio.
Victor Pablo bumalik sa laro, partner. Pinalitan si Benji Paras, pinahinga.
At yan na po naman ang ating mga kasama doon sa ESPN. Juan Natanya sa Norman Black. Talagang minamalas tayo, Dr. J.
Marami naman po dito. Ito mga katabi ko rito.
Ina Raimundo joining the ESPN cast there. Ay, nako.
Bakit ganun? Yan na parehas ang labanan dito.
Parang pinlakop tayo.
Ano ba kami? Winout boycott nyo ba?
Isolation play. Tayo na isolate. Samantala, Chris Jackson. Magandang cut ni John Best. Kuyog siya sa ilalim pero gumawa ng paraan. Dinukot sa ilalim ni John Best.
Well, medyo si Donald Williams nagpapahinga dito sa scoring.
Oo.
Pinalikan naman ni John Best ang scoring ngayon.
Ito si Noy Castillo. Nakita niya si Vic Pablo.
Oh,
Ahead.
di wala.
Pumasok pa and one. T. McClary gave him a hard foul. Hoping na hindi ba ipapasok ni Vic Pablo. Sabi ni Vic Pablo, ano ka, sinuswerte? Ito, panoorin niyo mga kaibigan. Off-balance shot here. Ito yung bigay kay John Best galing kay Benji Paras. Magandang reverse layup ni John Best. Ito naman, yung nangyari kay Vic Pablo. T. McClary na yung pumipigil sa kanya. Talagang hinambalos na halos ito si Vic Pablo. Pero nakuha pa niyang ipasok yung layup at nakakuha ng free throw. Vic Pablo also one of those responsible for Shell's pull away here, Dr. J.
Yes, he misses the three-point play, however, while spinning out. Pero very intense itong 6-7 players na ginagamit ni Coach Perry Ronquillo.
Oo.
Very intense ang laro nila.
19 na naman ang abante ng Formula Shell. Al Solis napitawan ng bola. Yun ang masakoy. Al Solis trying to give up a foul. And so does Glenn Capasio. Hindi na gustuhan ni John Best yung foul na yun ni Glenn. At ang initial reaction ni John Best ay magalit, pero nung makita niya nagsusori naman sa kanya si Glenn Capasio, sabi ni John Best, oh sige na, okay na.
Okay. Eh, kay Glenn naman duty foul.
Oo.
So, ito, binigyan ng referee ng
binigyan
score.
Glenn ko yun. Pero ito si Glenn, bang! At napatingin si John Best, sino yun?
It wasn't that hard.
Oo.
It wasn't that hard.
Pero medyo natamaan siguro sa mukha, kaya alam mo naman, medyo sensitive yung mga tissues dyan. Mga malaporsilanan. Magandang gabi po sa lahat ng ating mga suki sa buong Pilipinas. Ed Pixon po, kasama si Andy Howe para sa Vintage Sports. At dito po sa naglalagablab na laro ng Formula Shell at ang Mobiline Phone Pals. Abante na ng 21 puntos ang Formula Shell Gas Kings. Silas Mills. Al Sol is at the corner for the three-point shot. Nothing there. Noy Castillo. Naagawan ng Team McClary.
Well, alam ni McLaren na meron na silang warning sa delay of the ball. Kaya inabot siya doon sa kalaban. Hindi niya pinatuloy sa iba-ibang lugar. No?
Dahil maaari ka technical dyan. Pangalawang tawag sa inyan. Chris Jackson looking around. Finds Big Pablo. Pablo against McClary. The kick out to John Best. Wala pa. Ayun na naman ang offensive rebounding ng Formula Shell. Matindi ito.
Lalo na si Chris Jackson dahil may advantage siya over Al Solis.
Oo, malaking advantage. Eto si John Best. Kung ano mga magic ang ginagawa nito sa ilalim. But not that time. Silas Mills successfully staying on top of him. Inside McClary. Yun talagang he reached for the stars.
Yes. Ito na naman. They've come back to within 17 points with 5 minutes left in the third quarter.
So, kanina naibaba na nila yan sa 12 pero rumansyada na naman itong Formula Shell. Talaga namang kakaibang pinakikitang gilas itong Formula Shell dito so far. Williams trying to post up against Glenn Capasio. Hindi maipasa sa kanya ang bola. 4 seconds on the shot clock. John Best inside. Picks up a foul. Swerte yung Shell doon sapagkat 2 seconds na lamang natitira sa kanilang shot clock. T. McClary picking up his third. 73-56 po ang ating score in favor of Formula Shell. We have a timeout.
Lipavita, the official energy drink of the PBA. Lipavita gets you going.
17 puntos ang kabante ng Formula Shell. Pero may foul na tinawag
Offensive foul.
on John Best.
John Best setting an illegal pick. So just a 17.8, 4.5 minutes left.
Sa third quarter po tayo ng labang ito. McClary gets away.
Nagtatrabaho na si McClary sa ilalim. So that's the reason why they've come back again in this ball game. Yung trabaho ni McClary against Jackson.
Tandala si Chris Jackson. Pinakita na kaya niyang dali ng bola. Noy Castillo binalik kay John Best. Best against Mills. Runs into McClary.
Wow, shot. That was a difficult shot. The defense of the two imports of Mobiline were right there on that play.
Balik na naman sa 17-point lead for Formula Shell. Mobiline has not had a taste of the lead in this game. We've had deadlocks. The last one at 12 all. Bago po iniwanan itong Formula Shell ang Mobiline Phone Pals.
Maganda suporta ni Al Solis sa mga local players ng Mobiline. Ayos in double figures and how, no?
16 puntos na ginagawa nitong si Al Solis. He even has 2 points more than Silas Mills, who only has 14.
May ikot masyado sa labas dito ang Shell with only 8 seconds
layo.
of their shot clock. Si Williams, titira na malayo yan.
Yung pala sabi niya, dito talaga specialty ko pero hindi pumasok ang tira. Tony Boy Espinosa, si Al Solis.
Yes.
18 puntos na ginagawa nitong ating kaibigan na gikan pa sa Davao. Kumusta ka mo diha sa Mindanao? Ang tanan nato mga higala din na sa Mindanao, mga Cebuano, mga Ilonggo, kumusta gid ang atong mga amigo dira? Assalamualaikum sa ating mga kapatid na Muslim. Samantala, Jackson underneath. Vic Pablo.
Ilalabasan naman nila yung bola. Fresh 24-second shot clock. Nahinto na ni Capasio si Williams. Ha?
Oo. Pero ito, Williams pupwesto. Nakita niya si Chris Jackson. Vic Pablo down the middle. Up to John Best. Pero foul na tatawagan. Samantalang ang Bobby Line naman nagre-reklamo. May nakita raw silang traveling kay Vic Pablo. Medyo nagalangan siya ron eh. No?
That's right. He wanted to shoot. Pero nakita rin niya si Mills. Baka mablanka siya. Yan nagalangan siya.
2:39 remaining here in the third quarter. Meron tayong timeout by Mobiline. Yo.
For those who appreciate quality, Outlast Battery, winner of International Award for Quality.
Okay mga kaibigan, back here at the Cuneta Astrodome at Dr. J. Ito dream come true ito para sa amin at mga kaibigan, napasama ito. Kasama natin si Ina Raimundo na sa hello, nice to have you. Thank you. Okay na ako pare, okay na ako. Showbiz lang ha. Thank you. Alright ladies and gentlemen, the game goes on. Narito ngayon si Silas Mills, umatake. At merong foul na tatawagin. And so far mga kaibigan ay abante pa rin ang 15 puntos ang Formula Shell at 2 minutes and 32 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Andy, natulala ka dyan.
Hindi, bumalik na sa ating headset. May naglagay.
Akala ko hindi ka makapagsalita. Hindi nagay sa'yo ha?
Oo.
Nakaganti ka rin.
Di nagay. Sorry.
Masaya itong laro ito.
Kasi naman, tagal ko nung nakilala ito. No? If I'm not mistaken, she was one of the first lovely muses ng mga Breeders' Cup ng Marho. Eh. Mga kasama ko dyan sila Jun Almeida, sila Chito Arcelio. Alala nila ito. Chicks.
Chico Boy, ha? Chico Boy, oh. Kaibigan natin yan, Chico.
Boss Chito. Basta dyan, makakalimutan tayo.
Samantala, the inside game of Formula Shell has really been outstanding in this ball game.
They've been executing their half-court game very well. I think Mobiline should try a little pressure defense. Yung tuloy-tuloy na pressure, ha? Hindi yung half-bake, no? Kasi pag na half-court game, parang ang laki ng lamang ng mga big players ng Shell, eh. Pag nakapasok yung bola sa ilalim.
Samantala, si John Best playing the outside off to Vic Pablo.
Tulad yan, may mismatch si Vic Pablo dyan kay Francisco, especially at the post, hindi ba?
At ito, merong foul na tatawagin kay Jose Francisco, Dr. J. Si Jose Francisco, kanina kumikada ng 3-point shot, pero mukhang hanggang doon lang ang inabot.
That's right. Now, a bigger team ang ginagamit ni Coach Altamirano dito. Inalis na niya si Francisco. Pinasok niya si Merwin Castelo, a bigger player with also good defense, no? Ayan siya, si Merwin na bumabantay kay Victor Pablo sa post.
Tignan natin kung magiging effective yan. Pero ito si Benji Perez, nakita si John Best. Good defense by Silas Mills to break up that play. Ito na si Mills ngayon. Binigay kay McClary sa loob. Kapos. Wala. Benji Perez picks up the loose ball to Noy Castillo.
May pahalik-halik ka pa ng kamay, pare.
And a gentleman
tama.
gesture.
You're a Frenchman, ha?
Oh. Benji Perez inside the Vic Pablo. At medyo nilabas muna ni Pablo. Binigay pa kay Perez, pero inago ni T. McClary. And looks like Benji was hurt. Bad pass by Jose Francisco. Not a good time for a boo-boo like that.
Especially when you have a 4-on-2 situation. Naalangan siya na nakita niya yung defensive player. Tapos sumusunod nga si McClary, may kasunod rin. He went the other way.
Just a minute remaining here in the third period. 16 na naman ang abante ng Formula Shell. Donald Williams attacking. Dinabas kay Vic Pablo na libre. Yes!
Yun ang gustong-gusto ni Victor Pablo. A 14-15 footer. Nobody harassing him. Naku, sarap para kay Vic yan.
At balik na naman sa 18 puntos ang kalamangan nitong Formula Shell over Mobiline. Silas Mills, biglang nagdesisyon. At tatapik ni Francisco, balik-ulit kay Silas. Mills cuts through, left-handed layup, and there's going to be a foul call. Third personal on Benji Paras.
26.3 seconds left in this third quarter. Tignan natin itong dalawang free throw ni Silas Mills. Medyo gumapang.
Samantala, papasok muli si
Dalawang.
Jackson. Yes, labas yung dalawang input, ha?
Well,
26 seconds lang.
Hawakan niyo yung bola. You have that 2-minute break, no? Plus sama ito. Itong may break ito. Free throw shot ito.
Well, when you're expected to play the entire breadth of the length and breadth of the ball game, yung mga ganyang mga segundo malaking bagay yan para nakakapagpahinga.
Naku, patulad yan. That's not a good foul by Capasio because they're in the penalty. So Esplana will go to the free throw line.
20 seconds remaining dito po sa ating third period.
Sa kabila naman, partner, katulad yan, yung free throw shot na yan. Medyo matagal yan. Mga 30 seconds nangyayari dyan.
So, nakakadagdag din yan doon sa pahinga ng dalawang imports.
Correct.
To come out with fresher legs in the fourth quarter.
Now, another thing here is that Shell only has 2 team fouls with 20.6 seconds. Pag napunta yung bola sa Mobiline, well, they could give up some fouls kung gusto nila, no?
Yes.
On their discretion.
Si Jerry Espada nagbintis doon sa free throw. Pumasok. Oo. Samantala si Glenn Capasio, nilabas muna ni Coach Eric Altamirano. Si Gabby Cui ang bumalik sa ball game. Nag-umpisa po yan para sa Mobiline. 2 free throws by Jerry Esplana. And it's an 18-point lead once again para sa Formula Shell. Ito si T. McClary. Inubo lamang ni Jerry Esplana. Merwin Castelo with 7 seconds on the game clock in the third quarter. McClary gets momentarily open. Merong foul on Jerry Esplana.
Not a good foul at that stage. They're shooting foul na yan. I think it was from the 3-point territory, if I'm not mistaken.
Tatlo kaya yun?
Kung 3-point territory yan, of course, tatlo yan.
Oo. Tignan natin. Oo, mukhang 3 na yata. Oo, yun. Sinendya sa referee Ernie De Leon. With 3.2 seconds to go here in the third period.
Bawas na kaagad ng isa, no? Dahil nag-miss ng first free throw. While nagpapahinga ito, medyo mahaba na pahinga nito. Dahil may foul na naman, no?
Cooling their heels. Donald Williams and John Besson enjoying every moment of it.
Dalawang save na yun.
Inaalat-alat talaga itong Mobiline dito, Dr. J.
Well, McClary is not exactly the best free throw shooter. Yan ang kanyang weakness, no? Mills is a higher percentage free throw shooter.
Ito, medyo nilobo na niya ng konti. 1 out of 3 from the line.
Titira na ni Esplana yan.
Yun, nakakita pa ng maganda po ang si Jerry Esplana. It won't go. But again, Formula Shell ends the quarter with a commanding lead over Mobiline Phone Pass. Abangan po natin ang huling hirit nitong Mobiline in the fourth period.